Please introduce yourself first.
My name is Ajoy Palit. I work in the University of Bremen in the Department of Electrical Engineering Department as a Privat docent, which is equivalent to the professor title in Germany. And I teach. Besides teaching, I also do research for the industrial projects on automotive electronics.
Okay. Please tell me briefly about Mahatma Gandhi, which you know about.
Yeah, so Mahatma Gandhi is a great leader of our country. I think he is called the Mahatma because the Indian people call him as a great person of the great soul. And many people from the outside, they know he's just a political activist or the politician. But I will say this thing, he's also a spiritual leader. And he is also a person for the whole world, because he not only confined himself within India, he also worked in this South Africa for many issues. And that is the reason actually the people all over the world now know him as the world leader, and also leader for the non-violence demonstration. And the power of the non-violence now the world has already realized through the Indian movement of freedom fight.
Okay. How the Gandhian philosophy has relevance even in today's world?
Yeah, so now if you see this thing whole world, now the people start spreading the hatred between the different communities. I think it is our great leader Gandhi actually who has already seen this kind of problem much before, and that is the reason actually he started with the non-violence kind of thing. And ahimsa is also another key term actually he was every time using. And apart from that, the satyagraha, andolan, and those kind of things were actually the popular words actually which were used during the Indian freedom fight actually.
Very nice. And when you read or hear about Mahatma Gandhi, what is the first thought comes to your mind?
Yeah, so he is such a great personality, but at the same time he is so simple. His lifestyle was so simple, and common people will think that he is part of them. But he has the enough capability. He was a great lawyer, and he settled also in the South Africa. I heard he could have a very rich life, but still actually this person, so he mixed with the common people and started traveling all over the India in third class compartment. So this is something great actually. So there is no hypocrisy in him. So that's
Very
a great
nice.
thing.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye.